So this is our motor, and I've placed a like a magnet here, and this is our Hall effect sensor. So this Hall effect sensor will detect a magnet. So like when the magnet comes near the Hall effect sensor, this LED will blink and it will create a digital pulse. So this is our ground. Red is like your VCC 3.3 volt, and yellow is your digital signal. So this digital signal we have connected to pin 16, and that is what we will count. So this number of pulses like per second will give our motor speed. So like we will just count the number of rotation. So let's just see the demo. Like I'll turn it and it should increase the count. So it is showing 3. Now I turn it once more, it is showing 4. So like this is how it is measuring like the speed of this motor, like how many turns, and you can divide that by the time elapsed to get the speed of the motor. So this is our code. So like I've set the pin 16 to pull down. Then I have attached a counter on pin 16, and the interrupt is like when the pin state goes from like low to high. Then I am setting a counter debounce to like 1 second equal to 1000 milliseconds, and then I'm clearing the counter, and then I'm just getting the counter value and like displaying it on the screen. So it is showing 12. Like if I turn it, like so it has reset like once the program start, and like every time I rotate it, like the value will keep on increasing.